for CSE Project Learning Group. Today we will talk about in this video for looping statement in Python programming language, and this is part 1 video. Okay, I am start my session. I am first taken loop is for loop. First, what is for loop? For loop. We use for loop when we know the number of time to iterate. Next, for loop in Python used to execute a block of statement or code several times until the given conditional become false. Okay, I am explaining this for loop. First, your show for syntax, that is show for value in sequence. Next, body for statement, that is, and this color changing for and in is a keyword, so that is separately one color. Next, see for this flow chart. This program is start. Next, the flow is going for last sequence reached, that is true now, and that is false now. Body of for is continuously looping in this flow chart. This is for loop. Next, I am showing this example for Python IDLE. I am open Python IDLE script mode, so I am type some example, that is first I am create one variable, that is a is equal to 10. Next, I am using for the for statement, that is for I in, once again I am tell for I in. First I am use this example for range function, so I am type range open bracket, your started value, first your started value is 0, initial, that is initial value. Next, your variable value, that is a or you are using for a or 10, so I am using for a. Next, how many time it is iterate, that is 1. First I am check 1. Using end of the for loop must using for colon. Next, print I. First your print one variable, that is a is equal to 10. Next, using for your for loop statement, that is this bracket range in the inner the bracket, initial value, the ended value, iteratable value. Finally, this range is given all values change to I variable, so print I. Next, I am save this code and run this code. Click run module. This output is show 0 to 9 characters. See this example. A total character is 10 and increment for starting initial 0. So it is show 0 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8. Once again. Counting for these are all number is 10. 10 characters in the show. So this is a for loop example. I am not using range. I am give some example. That is, I am create one variable, that is TAMIL ARAS. First I am execute this program, and this is show for loop, and simply using this for loop, this is show for that is output one by one. But using another one choice is array, that is more than lines and etc. So This is comparing array and for loop, easier for this for loop. Finally, I am given one example, that is first example and final example. This is final example. This type is first example type. So this is I am tell about this is initial value, and next this is ending value, and this is increment value. First I am using first example is 1 and this example is using for 2. How to this output your imagine? Just I am save this cited for 2 numbers. So I am run this code, I am execute this code, open the shell terminal automatically. This is show for 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is condition is cited for 2 values. Next I am change for this, that is 3. I am save. Next run this code. This code is running. Open the shell and show for 0, 3, 6, 9. Your how many numbers iterable? So this number is cited for one that is iterate automatically. That is intended for your condition. That is for loop. The next one topic is for loop with else. What is for loop with else? A for loop can have an optional else block as well. The else part is execute if the item in this sequence used in for loop exhaust. Next this is syntax show for this. For value in sequence, and next execute body of for statement. Finally you are using this keyword else, and finally this body of else statement is execute. This is for loop with else statement. And next see this flowchart. Here run the program start. Next this flow reach for last sequence reach. Check this condition. This is true now. Go for body of for. And this is false now. Body of for. Finally this program is executed. Sorry, that is not body of for, that is body of else. And finally it is stop. That is your sequence is not complete now. This is continuously looping this body of for. Finally this R sequence is complete, that is show for true, and next body of else is execute. Finally this is next I am show example for loop with else statement. So I am create one variable, that is any variables inner the data, any data types, it is have any data type. First I am create one list, that is 12, and next one string, finally I am create one float. I am close this. Next I am check for condition. For I in a print this these values are stored in I directly. Next I am using for else, that is for loop else print. This is why now these are all letter is printed. And next finally not any value in the for loop statement. Finally this else is work. Print loop is complete. I am complete this code. So I am save this code. Next I am run this code. This code is ran. Finally show for this output. First one is 12, next one is computer, next one is 2.4. Finally, this else statement is for loop is complete. This is for with else statement. I am showing this code. First 12 and these are all value is printed one by one. Finally, no value available in the print for statement, and next work out this else statement. This is show loop is complete. So this is for loop with else statement. Next video is while loop. So in this video is complete. Thank you.